There is a number sitting on your retirement account, so small that you have never once worried about it. 1%. That is it. 1% a year. It sounds like a rounding error. And that tiny, harmless-looking number is quietly walking off with somewhere between a third and two-thirds of the money you will ever make. I am going to show you the exact dollar figure in a minute, but if I showed it to you right now, you would not believe me. So you have to see how the trick works first. Here is the setup nobody explains to you. When you put money into a fund, a 401k, almost anything, someone takes a small slice every single year for managing it. It is called an expense ratio, or just a fee, and it is written in the fine print as a decimal so small your eyes slide right past it, which is exactly the point. So let me walk you up the ladder, from harmless to genuinely upsetting. Stay with me because it flips completely around the fourth step. Step 1. Why 1% sounds like nothing. If you have $100 and the fee is 1%, they take $1, a single dollar, who cares? That is the reaction they are counting on. But that dollar is not the whole story. Not even close. Step 2. The fee is not on your profit. Read that again, because this is where almost everyone gets it wrong. The 1% is not taken from what you earn. It is taken from everything you have, the entire balance, every year. Whether the market went up, down, or nowhere. You can lose money for the year and still pay it in full, and it does not take that dollar once. It takes it again next year, and the year after, for the next 40 years. Now hold that thought, because here is where it turns ugly. Step 3. The part they really do not want you to sit and think about. Your money is supposed to compound. You earn a return, and next year you earn a return on that return, and it snowballs. That snowball is the entire reason investing works at all. But the fee compounds too. Every dollar they skim is a dollar that will never snowball for you. It is not just losing a dollar today. It is losing that dollar, plus everything that dollar would have grown into over the next 30 years. And I still have not shown you the number. Stay with me. Step 4. Let me make this real with actual figures, and this one comes straight from the government's own retirement paperwork. Take an account with $25,000, left to grow for 35 years, with no new money added at all. The only thing we change is the fee. One account pays 0.5%, the other pays 1.5%, just 1 percentage point apart. The low fee account grows to about $227,000. The higher fee one, around $163,000. That single extra percent quietly erased $64,000. Nearly a third of the account, gone, not to a crash, not to a bad bet, to a fee you never even watched leave. And that was only a 1% difference. Now let me show you what the man who spent his entire life exposing this actually found, because this is the part that should make you angry. Here is the turn. The founder of the largest fund company on earth ran the math on a 2% fee over a full investing lifetime. Not 1%. 2. His finding? Over 50 years, that fee does not cost you a slice. It cost you roughly 2/3 of everything your money would have become. Sit with that for a second. You put up all the cash. You took all the risk. You waited 50 patient years. And at the end, the people managing the money quietly keep the majority of the growth and hand you back a third. He called it the tyranny of compounding costs. Most people never hear that phrase once in their entire life. Now remember step 2. When I said the fee comes out whether you win or lose? Here is why that was the real clue. The people collecting it do not need the market to do well. They do not need you to do well. They get paid on the balance, in good years and in bad, forever. That is not an investor sharing your risk. That is a toll booth on your future, and you agreed to it without ever reading the sign. So here is what to actually do, and it takes about 30 seconds. Find any fund you own, and look up one single thing, the expense ratio. If it is above 1%, you are almost certainly sitting in the expensive lane. The fix is not complicated. A plain low-cost index fund often charges around 0.03%, not 1%, not 2. Basically nothing. Same market, same growth, minus the toll booth. Over a lifetime, that one quiet swap can be the difference between retiring comfortable and working 5 extra years. You do not need a finance degree to win this one. You need one number, checked one time, tonight. The tiny fee was never actually tiny. It was just wearing a disguise made of decimal points. If this changed how you look at that boring little statement, subscribe, because the next video breaks down exactly which accounts quietly charge the most, and how to move your money out without triggering a tax bomb. The brokers with the lowest fees I could find are linked below, and opening one costs you nothing.